Hello students, here we are going to study our science second chapter and the chapter name is Plant Grow from Seeds. So let's start the chapter. Plant grow everywhere. You can see plant around us everywhere. Plant grows around everywhere. So on walls you can see plants sometimes on wall, under rocks, on land, in water. Did you know one thing? Which plants grow under water and that plants called as aquatic plants. Which are they plant? Aquatic plants. Around seashore and coast. In deserts, you can. Did you see ever deserts? No? Then you can see in this picture there is a desert and there are so many trees. Around mountains, garden. Did you ever visit garden? Yes. So you can see in garden there are so many types of plant. Yes or no? Yes. If you ever visit garden and you are going to visit in some days, you can notice there are so many types of plant and you can see all the types of plant in garden. Next is a forest. Did you ever see forest? No? Then you can visit the forests near Nemgiri and you can see there are so many types of plant. And next, so in this picture there is a coast and you can see there are two trees. And which are the trees? One is coconut tree and second one is pine tree. And now in this picture, did you say me which is this area? This is the mountainous area and you can see which trees around this mountainous area. There are pine trees grows mountainous mostly. So in this picture there is a desert and which is this tree you can see in this picture? This tree is a cactus. Which is this tree? Cactus. So cactus is mostly found in deserts. You can see in this picture plant needs sunlight, water, good soil to grow. Plant take carbon dioxide from the air. Leaves take energy from sunlight to make food. Roots take water and minerals from the soil. Most plants grow from the seeds. You can see in this picture there are process to from seed to a plant. So there is a structure. When in this structure you can see the formation of seed to a tree and from that you can get fruits and in fruits there are seed also, then you can also regenerate the fruits.